tragedies, recent and not so recent, be this the so-called comfort women issue, the Jeju 4-3, Gwangju 518, the Navy base being proposed and built on Jeju, a place I still make visits to on my trips, as the ever-passionate activists there continue to show their opposing to it. But something more tragic was just around the corner. It's the spring of 2024 and I'm in Bangkok, Thailand. I find myself back in this city for the Thai premiere of a mid-length film I made, featuring Korean language as well as English. Though it's a drama but covering various social issues, it touches quite heavily on the Sewol Ferry tragedy, an issue I've been closely attached to ever since it happened back in 2014. More on that in a moment. Whenever I return to Thailand, I look at similarities between that country and South Korea. Similarities in culture, but also how one looks to the other, be this far better, culturally, behaviours, differences,